Subsurface scan initiated.
Analyzing stress points. Micro-inclusion detected near the leading edge.
The industrial AI system determines the quality grade. Classified as Grade A, the flawless sheet is routed to the pre-processing zone.
Scan complete on current buffer.
Matches the manifest, ready for transfer. With the material verification log confirmed, 85% of the titanium alloy is routed to the duct structure. The 3mm titanium alloy sheet receives a specialized plasma surface treatment. Finely tuned plasma torches
The robotic arm meticulously cleans the complex steel die, aligning the tooling for the Su-35 intake.
In the specialized laser cutting station, rectangular offcuts of the 3mm titanium alloy are extremely fine, high-tensile titanium wire is spooled onto industrial bobbins. These are then loaded into the
pressure levels are nominal.
Temperature gradient is stable. Proceeding with the draw.
Check the leading edge for lamination.
Looks clean here. The curvature is precise.
All fasteners tightened to specification. Check the readings on the main strut connection.
Torque verified. Consistent with the required 150 Newton meters.
The specialized robotic spray nozzle applies the thick, charcoal gray ram coating uniformly, eliminating radar signals.
The fully shaped and ram-coated titanium duct component is placed onto a final high-precision CMM table. A final manual check ensures precise alignment, guaranteeing the component is ready for installation.
The exterior titanium surface receives a durable anti-corrosion sealant spray, immediately cured by focus. The laser engraver precisely etches the serial number onto the titanium surface.
Internal coating looks good. No FOD detected.
Confirmed. System check complete. Green light indicates full approval.
Confirming the mounting hardware is fully covered.
Yes, the seal is tight. Static discharge protection is active.
The primary production workflow, duct shaping, is entirely concluded. The focus then shifts to the adjacent process.
Ensure the harness is away from potential abrasion points.
Confirmed. The routing path matches the technical drawings exactly.
The tension on spool 7 is fluctuating again.
I see it. Adjusting the feed rate now.
The precision laser cutting table ensures flawless shaping of the titanium mesh, crucial for the Su-35's air intake assembly. A robotic infrared scanner analyzes the coating for uniformity and adherence, ensuring the protective layer is flawless.
The weave uniformity is perfect, no defects on the frame.
Tautness confirmed. Meets all specifications for release.
Make sure the straps are tight on pallet 4. Copy that. Moving to secure the Su-35 crates now. Final tension applied.
Part number 735B verified. We are good for takeoff.
The torque setting is correct according to the tablet.
Confirmed. Let's proceed with the installation.
The silver mesh provides a clear, high-contrast barrier against the dark, ram-coated interior, confirming successful
intake screens clear, Chief.
Roger that. Ground is clear. Spooling up engines.
The mesh remains completely undamaged, showcasing the tangible benefit of our manufacturing precision under actual operational stress.
The Su-35 air intake screen undergoes a meticulous cleaning process using a solvent spray.
Emphasizing the quality and function of the titanium mesh, the screen maintains its rigid structure and tension despite the extreme environmental forces.